Hi everyone! Nag-harvest ako ngayon ng buko guys. Ng young coconuts. Today, ang aking buko gagawin ko sang salad. Marami akong harvest. Young coconuts. Hi, thank you for watching. Ayan, ka-harvest ko lang. Yung marami pa nga siyang bunga. It's a lot of fruits here. So this one I need to cut the branch. The branches. Hi, thank you for watching guys. Nag-harvest ako ng aking mga buko.